What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So this is actually more of like a public service announcement than anything. ULTRAHUMAN, which creates smart rings as well as some other innovative solutions for health and wellness in the tech space, are running a huge Black Friday deal, 20% off their ULTRAHUMAN Ring Air, which is the best deal they've ever done, and it will run until, Cyber Monday, of course. I've made, I think, 3 or 4 videos on ULTRAHUMAN now, and the company is great. They've been great to work with. I think it's one of the best looking smart rings out there, and I think that the way they've aligned the sensors is probably one of the best ways of all the competitors out there. There aren't these like bulbous, it's just this sort of one flat area here, this flat space here. In terms of comfortability, right? Yes, this is one of the most comfortable ones. I think they also just look great. I mean, most people can't tell that's a smart ring. It just looks like a nice piece of jewelry. So another thing I'll mention about ULTRAHUMAN, if you're new to this company, is their software is so comprehensive. It's crazy. They're continually creating updates and adding to the user interface on the software itself. And they have these really interesting little blips of information that you can subscribe to or not subscribe to, depending on what your health journey is. ULTRAHUMAN takes this more like comprehensive full body approach to health, and this is just one of the ways that they sort of sense your body and how it's working. They also sell glucose monitors, the M1. They're working on, as far as I know, still a home device that's going to be able to check the light quality, the air quality around you. So they're headed for this more, like I said, comprehensive, holistic approach to your health, which I think is fantastic. I love this brand. I love this smart ring. It's one of my favorites on the market right now. It definitely beats Aura in my opinion, especially since there's no subscription fee to see, that baseline of data that you would expect to get for free from paying a few $100s for something like this. So yeah, link in the description down below for 20% off for the Black Friday season. That link and code is specific to me, so obviously it will help the channel, but also you do get that 20% off through that link as well. Special thanks to ULTRAHUMAN for 1, making a great product, 2, offering this discount to you all watching, and special thanks to you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, like this video for more, watch this video next, I think you're gonna love it, and check out my full review on the ULTRAHUMAN Ring Air, which I'll also link down below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.